Hi everyone, and welcome. Today we are tackling a common question for developers working with Hardhat and ethers.js. How do you get the private key from a Hardhat ethers signer? While Hardhat's built-in signers are fantastic for local development, abstracting away the need to manage private keys directly, there are specific times when you absolutely need that private key. Perhaps you want to deploy a contract to a testnet using an account that was initially funded in your Hardhat environment. Or maybe you're migrating an existing Hardhat-generated account to a different tool or wallet. Understanding how to safely retrieve this key is crucial for these scenarios. Let's dive into the process. First, remember that Hardhat provides a convenient way to get a list of signers. You typically do this using ethers.getSigners. This function, when run within a Hardhat environment, gives you Hardhat wallet objects, which are special instances of ethers.js wallet objects. These Hardhat wallet objects are pre-configured with a provider connected to your Hardhat network. The key difference here, compared to a generic JSON RPC signer connected to a remote RPC, is that these Hardhat wallet instances do expose their private keys. This is because Hardhat creates them for you locally and manages them internally. So, the process is quite straightforward in your Hardhat scripts or tests. You'll first get your signers. For example, you might write const deployer equals await ethers.getSigners. This line grabs the first available signer from Hardhat's list and assigns it to a variable called deployer. Now, to access the private key associated with this deployer signer, you simply access its private key property. It's that direct. So, you would then do const private key equals deployer.privatekey. You can then console.log private key to see it printed in your console. It's important to understand why this works. A Hardhat wallet is essentially a wallet object, and wallet objects inherently store and expose their private keys. They need this to sign transactions locally before sending them to the network. However, a massive word of caution here: private keys are like the master key to your cryptocurrency. Anyone with your private key can control your funds. Never, ever hard-code private keys directly into your public code. If you need to use a private key for deployment to a testnet or mainnet, always use environment variables. Tools like deterministically are perfect for this. Load your private key from .env files, which should never be committed to version control. This method is specifically for situations where you need to extract a Hardhat-generated key for a specific, controlled use case, like transferring funds or deploying with a specific account that originated in Hardhat. Do not use this to extract private keys from accounts you did not create locally in Hardhat, as standard JSON RPC signers connected to external RPCs will not expose their private keys for security reasons. Only Hardhat-specific Hardhat wallet instances behave this way. Always be vigilant about security when handling private keys. And that's how you extract a private key from a Hardhat ethers signer. I hope this explanation was clear and helps you in your development journey. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot, and it helps us create more helpful tutorials for the community. See you in the next video.